map on the Philippines. We don't have nothing. Here we go, guys. Parang totoo siya, oh. Reading. Lahat na lang na makita ko kailangan kong videohan, guys. Ayan. Hey guys, yung mga container na to is tubig. Kasi pag nawala ng tubig, meron silang pandilate. Ayan.
Skating rink is open.